Okay, now application question you see here, and the crosses are the direction of magnetic field, that is into the page. So I told you, if you want to take the Fleming's left hand rule, we have some clue. What are those? We need magnets or magnetic field lines. It is here. So one clue is satisfied. What is the another clue for us? The current carrying conductor. So current carrying conductor, otherwise current, otherwise a current. Here in this case we have negative particles, that is opposite direction of current flow. Electron, if it flows to the right side, the direction of current will be to the left side, just opposite. This is the direction of current. If in this direction the electron is flowing in this direction, current will be flowing in the opposite direction. This is the main concept in this. So now we have, it is two rules are satisfied. One is magnetic field lines are here and current is here, so we can use Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, now how are we going to apply and what is the concept here? uh, if there is a magnetic field lines, when there is a current, any or the particles are entering into the magnetic field lines, because of interaction between the negative particle and the magnetic field lines, there will be a force acting onto the negative particle, and the particle will be deflected from its motion. So in which direction the particle will deflect, so we can apply it here. So first step, now we have decided it is a Fleming's left hand rule. So now second step, we have to align our fingers. So the alignment of the fingers are like this, you see here, into the page. So my index finger, first you should know that here FMC, right? Here is the force, and this middle finger is here current, and this finger is magnetic field line finger, this finger. Now it is moving into the page, magnetic field lines are into the page. It is mentioned, it is into the page, it is mentioned in the question. So you have to align your index finger into the page. And second thing, you have to align the direction of current. Now here is the trick. It is a negative particle, electron negative particle is moving in this direction, so the direction of current supposed to be in the opposite direction. So you have to align your middle finger to the direction opposite to the electron direction, the negative particle direction. So what you can do here, you can just flip a finger in this way. Now it is direction of current, this direction, the direction of current, it is aligned. Now you see, this is the middle finger, it is now aligning with the direction of current, opposite direction of negative particle. And still my index finger is into the page, it's not changed. You are just you turn your finger without changing the position of magnetic field lines. Now still it is my index finger is still into the page, if you notice carefully, right? Okay, now you can see the alignment of your thumb, it shows to the right. Now the particle will be deflected to this direction, to the right. You have to write like that. Okay, thank you.